how to refund games on Steam. But before that, let me remind you that you can only do this only if you have not yet played the game over 2 hours and should not be over 14 days since you bought the game. Okay, so it's 14 or less. Okay, so that's clear. Now, to do that, you just have to go to your Steam, go to your profile, and tap this view purchase history. Tap this one. And then you just have to select the game that you want to ask for a refund. So I haven't purchased any game here, but suppose that you have purchased a game, you just have to click that one, and then this thing will show up. Here, you just have to simply tap this, I would like a refund. And then here we have two options or choices. Just tap this, I'd like to request a refund, of course, from this game here. And then here you will see that it will be refunded to your Steam wallet. This refund will remove the following products from your Steam library. So for tell us why, you can just simply tell them the reason why. You can select any of this here. You can say it's not fun. Yeah, something like that. And then you can be very specific here that I don't find it very interesting. I think it's fun, but it's not. So I really want to refund and get my money back. So once done, then all you have to do is to click submit the request. And usually you just have to wait for 2 to 3 hours for the customer service team to respond to your concern. So I do really hope that this video somehow helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.